Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Harley-Davidson CVO Softail convertible with 24,977 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with a keyless ignition and has been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle exhaust, ignition wires, and an inspection plate. The Softail convertible has two personalities and can serve a wide range of riders with its versatility. A compact fairing gives the Softail towing capacity without compromising its performance. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Softail puts 107 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 725 pounds and has a 25.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.